Atlas Air is one of the largest air cargo companies in the world. It moves consumer products, industrial products, medical equipment. Everything that moves global economies flies on Atlas planes.
And our mission is to power our customers' global supply chains. We operate into 70 countries around the world and some 220 destinations. We're right at the center of the global economy. We are touching people's lives in so many different shapes and forms.
Atlas has a blue chip list of customers. It's a tremendous business model and one that was totally misunderstood by the markets.
We were not seen as the player in the global supply chain that we actually are.
Atlas has assets that not only are in short supply now, but forecasted to be in short supply going forward. If you combine that with the demand outlook, that's where it gets extremely interesting.
The aviation sector is extremely complicated, but it's an industry where Apollo has developed tremendous expertise over a long period of time. The challenging part was that this transaction was happening at a point in time when the capital markets were effectively shut. Thankfully, the integrated platform at Apollo allowed us to pull together the financing and close the transaction.
A lot of the problems that we have solved at other investments, we were able to learn from and leverage in the value creation plan for Atlas.
We are very excited about the collaboration that we're building here between our investors and our management team and the board in general.
During economic downturns, many airline CEOs wake up thinking about covenants, liquidity, cash flow. The CEOs that we work with wake up thinking about transformation and growth. We strive to set companies up to succeed in any market environment, not just when markets are going up.
Our ability now working together with very strong investment partners like Apollo is always giving us an opportunity to reinvest in the business, reposition ourselves as a company, and basically expand the services and the value that we're delivering to all of our stakeholders. Our vision is to become the undisputed leader of outsourced aviation logistics.